Hey guys, how you doing? Ricky here. Today, this videos is a little bit different. No laser welding, no DIY hikes, even no killed animal. Just me, straight talk with you. Why do I shooting these videos? Because recently I will uploading lots of the videos since I full time doing social medias. But unfortunately, these videos didn't get a good performance, which means not good the traffic has been great, has not been great. So I did figure it with your help. So I need prepare 3 questions for you. So could you please help me with it? Let me break the question one by one. Number 1, what kind of the videos would you like to watching? DIY hacks, laser welding, life moments, even killed dogs. So could you please tell me it? Number 2, what did videos most click so far? Down their style, storytelling, more action, less talking, more talking, etc. Number 3, what kind of the videos would you want to watching in the future, such as the DIY hackers and change the videos cover, more humor, more funny, even more other members joining the videos. So don't hesitate to take the drop your comments below the screen or below the video. Yeah, your comments is so important for me. So this channel is not for us. It's good for other members who want to know the funny video, even the learning how to style and kinds of the videos. So don't hesitate to drop your comments. Thank you for your cooperation. See you next time.